The staff at Chiltern Connections are probably the easiest thing I can sell. We have, I think, the best people in the business from our technicians doing masking, the touching in, the spraying, operating the machinery. These guys are fantastic at what they do, and they're a great team to be around. And if I need anything, any information for my customers, I can go and talk to our team and say, look, what's the best way they do this? Because we have years and years and years of knowledge of using these materials. The culture here is fantastic. You know, we're such a tight-knit company. It's always had a very family feel here, and that's why it's such a good place to work. The company started over 30 years ago by Peter Walcott. So that sort of one man and his wife Julie has now turned into over 30 members of staff in a 15,000 square foot building around the corner from where it all started. It's amazing, really.